So the first thing you want to do is boil up your ravioli according to package instructions. You know, about 4 to 6 minutes. Now you can make the ravioli from scratch, but believe me guys, it's a lot of work. It's easier just to buy it in the store. Once the ravioli is done, we're just gonna pull this out, give it a drain in our colander. Now I should mention I'm using a spinach cheese ravioli. I'm keeping a bit on the veggie side, but you know, you can use any flavor you want, a chicken, whatever it might be. But this is gonna be just fine. Okay, let's start building our ravioli bake, and to do this I'm gonna add a bit of pasta sauce to the bottom of a casserole dish. Now we'll just give this a spread out so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the casserole dish. Now I'm using a dried tomato and garlic here, but you know, you can use anything you like as far as a pasta sauce. You can even make it from scratch if you like. Next, in with the ravioli. Sticking a little bit here on me. On with a layer of spinach. I always think of Popeye. More of that sauce. Put lots on, just enough to cover everything. Now, I'm not going to season this sauce. I just want to keep it pretty basic for you. But I would encourage you to. You know, you can add some Italian seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic. Just kind of lay the seasoning on there. A good layer of cheese. Now, I'm using a Tex-Mex 3 layers here. I love my cheese. It's like a big mouse, I always say that. And if you haven't already noticed, guys, we hit the big 1 million. Thank you so much to everybody for all your support. And we're gonna do something really, really special, so make sure you stay tuned in future videos, next couple of videos. Now I'm gonna slip this into a 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, our ravioli bake is done, and just look at this, bubbling, cheesy ravioli goodness. And we will just garnish this up with some fresh basil, and no, this is not a 5th ingredient. You don't have to do this. This makes it look all pretty and a bit of freshness. Okay, my friends, let's dig in here and see what we have. That looks like ravioli to me. Ravioli and cheese and some spinach. Wow, just look at this, guys. Okay, it is that wonderful time. Okay. You know what? This is really good. I mean, for something on the fly, 4 ingredients, you can't beat this. Just absolutely incredible. Great midweek meal. Serve this up with a salad, some Italian bread. I'm surprised. This is good. You gotta try this, guys. Good.